Well, my friends, repeatedly I have told that three diseases are day by day increasing. Autism, that means the ASD, that means the autism spectrum disorder. Chronic kidney disease, increasing of creatinine day by day, and the brain tumors of all varieties, benign or malignant. Among the brain tumors, benign, craniopharyngioma, pituitary adenoma, acoustic neuroma, and meningioma. And about the malignant brain tumors, astrocytoma or glioma, oligodendroglioma, medulloblastoma, ependymoma. Now, autism day by day increasing. Even up to this time, it is not well aware to the medical society why the autism is being increased day by day. To utter surprise, my own observation that some vaccinations, especially MMR vaccination, measles, mumps and rubella vaccination, are responsible in many cases. It is a condition I have repeatedly told. There is lack of cognitive development of the child due to lack of development of the fine centers of the brain, the learning points of the cerebrum that impacts a child perceives and socializes with others, causing problems in the social interactions and skill and communications. The term spectrum said for the wide range of symptoms and their severity. The disorder begins in the early childhood and eventually causes problems, functions in the school, at work, at home, and also in the society. The symptoms are generally developed within the first year, but a small number of children develop symptoms after 1 year and then go through a period of regression between 18 and 24 months of age. Main symptoms are lack of eye contact, lack of social skill, lack of how to talk, how to behave, how to move, how to construct a sentence, how to respond, etc. And there is also great indifference to learn everything, to learn the behavior. Some children at first become normal, but then suddenly become aggressive or lose language skills or learning what he has already taught or learned. Each autistic child are of unique pattern of behavior and level of severity from low functioning to high functioning and always remain their own world. It is seen that the boys about 4 times more likely develop autism than girls. So what is it? A social problem. In homeopathy, we have enough scope, enough treatment, enough cure, enough success. One of the greatest controversies in autism was a link between childhood vaccine. Again, I am telling, there is a controversy topic in relation with the vaccine. Despite extensive research, No reliable has shown that the link between autism and vaccine, but my personal experience, which may be acclaimed as the hypothesis that MMR vaccine are responsible in many cases. Some other symptoms are problems with social interaction and communication skill, like fails to respond to his telling name, holding the things, eye contact, lack of facial expression, does not speak, or delayed speech, or loses precious ability to say words or sentences, etc. So, I have cured, improved many cases, but always the treatment formula, principle, law, dictum is the only one that is in the similar way, by the similimum medicine. This is a case of autism. This is a case of autism, age about 4 years, treated allopathically and homeopathically. In allopathy, I have told many times, unnecessary investigations have done, unnecessary EEG of the brain, advised by one physician, and other numbers of investigations done without any result, without any necessity. They consulted the homeopathic physicians, and the modern trend of the physicians, I have told the Muslimuri, they prescribed in polypharmacy medicines, without any symptom similarity, sibylinum, Varamet, Viretramelbum, Calcarea phos in one prescription. Tarantula cubensis, Chamomilla, Zincamet, Caliphos in one prescription. So always I say, these are the bastard practitioners, and the prescriptions are nothing but the bastard one. So they do not know about the philosophy of homeopathy, the principle of homeopathy, the dictum of homeopathy, the rules and regulations of homeopathy. Treat the patient, not the cure. So these polypharmacy prescriptions are done by on Dr. Vishwanath Patro, written that ex-medical officer of West Bengal government. So these types of medical officers are serving in the society, so the people will get how much result it is very easily acceptable. So polypharmacy must be avoided. One reason being the dangers of counteraction of the medicine. 5, 6, 7, 8 medicines at a time without any result, without any symptomatology, either Staphysagra or Strophanthus or Nactamsal, Staphysagra, etc. mixing prescription. This child requires only single medicine, Calcarea carbonica. There is abundant sweets. These are for sweets. Constipation is still irregular. The child is jolly, fretful. Catches cold easily. So all symptoms go in favor of Calcarea carbonica. So Calcarea carbonica is the choice of medicine, my friend. Calcarea child is always fearful, jolly, joyous, hilarious, and not audacious like our tarantula or stramonium. So constipation, profuse perspiration, mild temperament, all symptoms go favor of only single medicine, Calcarea carbonica. And 5 to 6 medicines like our Sipilinum, Baraitacum, Caliphos, Tarantula, this Muslimuri prescription will not cure the child at all. Sipilinum, Varamet, Viritabarbam, calcarea phos in on prescription, my friend. Tarantula, chamomilla, zincamet, caliphos, these 4 masala muri in at a time. So these are the physicians who are destructing homeopathy, who is spoiling homeopathy. That's why I do like to say they are the bastard homeopaths. So let's see the result of calcarea card. I do believe many children have improved by single simillimum medicine from the total, considering the totality of the case, and the child will also be improved only by single medicine, and the single medicine of the child is nothing but calcarea carbonica.